Brace yourself. I've got a profitable dose of truth coming right at you. There are people online who want to give you money for helping them make money. It's true. You may have noticed that the first quarter of the year is when most people try to begin new things, new diets, new habits, new workouts, and new businesses. Yes, there are thousands of businesses that are getting ready to start in the new year and will want help to get profitable as soon as possible. They are starting out in the sometimes scary world of online business and only have an idea for a product or a service. They may be great at what they do, but they have no idea how to market or promote their new business. That's where you come in. As a proud Powrsuite 2.0 purchaser and a purveyor of profitable possibilities and problem solving, you are just the right person to get them from inspiration to profitability. And we want to help you convert these new or renewed entrepreneurs into clients, paying clients. We want to help you succeed. We want to help you get paid over and over again. That's why we created the Powrsuite 2.0 Agency Toolkit. This complete upgrade is going to automate, simplify, and scale your marketing consultation agency to these new businesses. That way, you can start making money from them immediately and continue offering them advertising and marketing services throughout 2023 and beyond. So we put our heads together and we created a comprehensive kit for you so you can break out of the day-to-day grind and really put the energy of Powrsuite 2.0 to work for you today. We want you to realize what a life fully lived can look like. Introducing the Powrsuite 2.0 Agency Toolkit. This upgrade includes all the things you'll need to break past the excuses that you'll want to tell yourself. Excuses like, I don't know where to start. Well, we get you started with our powerful done-for-you website to give you a great look right away. Another excuse might be, but I don't know what to say. Well, we even give you professionally written copy for emails, phone scripts, and more. I told you we would have you ready to earn as soon as today. And if you're wondering, oh, but how do I get paid? Well, we include a payment processor integration for Stripe and PayPal. Use one or both. They are free to set up and easy to use with this upgrade. Maybe you'll say, but I don't know how to close a deal. Close a deal, ask for the sale so you can get paid? Well, we got you covered there too, in spades. With the Powrsuite 2.0 Agency Toolkit upgrade, you'll never wonder what to say when you want to get the sale. We also have you covered after the sale as well, with the included contract templates. Make some quick changes to add your company details and offer details, and send off a professional, legal contract to make sure you get paid for the work you do. And we have something very special for our customers who grab the Powrsuite 2.0 Agency Toolkit during this launch. 3 powerful bonus trainings to help you expand into the lucrative local market. This amazing feature is only available during this launch period for our new Powrsuite 2.0 Agency Toolkit customers. As a matter of fact, because we are really looking for people who are honestly ready to step out of their comfort zone and to expand their horizons, we are planning on removing this entire upgrade and all of its parts after the launch is over. Having made it this far, I know that you are an above-average entrepreneur and are looking to move beyond where you are now. Join us now and upgrade your Powrsuite 2.0, your business, and your life. Click below to begin this transformation, one step at a time, until you are running full steam into the real laptop lifestyle you've heard about.